Here's the cockpit view of the Boeing 737 Classic. And here's the centre panel. Here's the NG version. On the NG 737, 6 LCD screens have replaced all the principal flying instruments, as well as all of the engine indications. This is referred to as a glass cockpit. Here's the Boeing 737 NG centre panel. Notice how uncluttered the displays are compared to the classic version. To keep the flight deck uncluttered, the lower display shows secondary engine indications. This is only used during engine start, or will pop up automatically in the event of an engine exceedance. The red reminds the flight crew that there was an engine exceedance while the engine was running. Here's the mode control panel in the 737 NG. And here's an overview of the Honeywell version of the mode control panel. This is very similar to the Rockwell version. The most apparent difference is the shape of the buttons. Notice that we've commanded the mode control panel to descend to an altitude of 2,000 feet with a vertical speed of 400 feet per minute. Here are the autopilot engagement switches, the course indicator and selector, and the flight director selection switch. Here are more items on the mode control panel. Altitude selection, heading selector with angle of bank limiter. Notice how VNAV and LNAV have been selected. This does not mean these modes are engaged. The pilot would need to check the FMAs, flight mode annunciators, on the primary flight display to confirm this. Here's the left-hand side of the mode control panel, showing heading indicator and angle of bank limiter again, and speed display and selections with the auto throttle switch.